Welcome dear friends. Previously we learned factors and multiple of numbers. Also we solved exercise 3.1 related to factors and multiple. Now today we will start one more new topic, that is prime and composite number. Okay. To learn prime and composite number, let's do one activity, that is we write a factors from 2 to 10. Okay. Factor of 2 is 1 2 जा બીજો કોઈ ફેક્ટર હોય નહીં, that's why it is 1 and 2. How many factors? 2. Second is 3, so 3 can be factorized as 1 3 जा. And how many factors of 3? 2. For 4, 1 4 जा, 2 2 जा and 4 1 जा. So 3 factors are here, so number of factors are 3. For 5, 1 and 5, so number of factors are 2. For 6, 1 6 जा, 2 3 जा, 3 2 जा and 6 1 जा. So how many factors of 6? 4. 7, 1 7 जा, only 2 factors, so number of factors are 2. 8, 1 8 जा, 2 4 जा, 4 2 जा and 8 1 जा. So number of factor for 8 is 4. 9, 1 9 जा, 3 3 जा and 9 1 जा. So number of factor for 9 is 3. For 10, 1 10 जा, 2 5 जा, 5 2 जा and 10 1 जा. So number of factor for 10 are 4. Here I have not written 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is the special number. 1 prime पर ना कहवाय અને composite पर ना कहवाय. This number can be asked in a blank, that blank is neither prime nor composite. So that is 1. Now in this table you learn that some numbers have factor 2 and some numbers have more than factor 2. Some numbers have 3 factor, 4 factor. If you write the number after 10, 11, 12, 13 also there, and if you write the factors of 12, 13, 14, then you get different numbers. So what is the prime numbers from the table? The number other than 1. Okay, because 1 is neither prime nor composite, whose only factors are 1 and number itself are called prime number. Prime number means એવો number કે જેના બે જ factor હોય, એક તો 1 અને એક તો number itself. So for example 2, 2 ના factors learn કર્યા, that is 1 and 2, so 1 and number itself. For 3 it is 1 and 3, so 1 and number itself. 5 1 and 5, 7 1 and 7 means the number that have only 2 factor, 1 and number itself are called prime number. Okay, બીજા કોઈ ટેબલ માં આવે નહીં, ખાલી 1 અને ખુદ એ number. Now what is the composite number? The number having more than 2 factors are called composite number. જો બે કરતા વધારે factors હોય, બે factor તો હોય જ, 1 and number itself, but if the number have more than 2 factors are called composite number. Here examples are 4. 4 have 3 factors, 1 and number 4 itself and one more, 2 2 are 4, that is 2. Same 6 have 4 factors, 1 2 3 and 6. So more than 2 factors are called composite number. If number have 2 factors, that is 1 and number itself are called prime number, and if the number have more than 2 factors are called composite. Now to find the prime numbers from 1 to 100, we will use a method of Eratosthenes. That is one famous mathematician, and who find the method to find the prime numbers from 1 to 100. For that we need to write a 1 to 100 number box like this. So 1 is not prime, not composite, so first of all we will cancel that. Okay, now we will move to the next number, that is 2. We will cross the number 2, or we can say we will circle the number. Why? Because let's say 2 is a composite number. Okay, okay, the number that are factors of 2, sorry, multiple of 2, we need to cross the number which are multiple of 2. 2 ના ટેબલ માં જે નંબર આવતા હોય બધાને ક્રોસ કરવા. Okay, so one number is, we move to the next number that is 2. Now we will cross the number which are multiple of 2. 2 ના ટેબલમાં જે પણ નંબર આવતા હોય બધાને ક્રોસ કરો. So here 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now next one, 11 is not there, 2 6s are, 2 7s are, 13 is not there in the table of 2, 15 is also not there in the table of 2, 16 is there, 9 8s are, and 9 2s are and 10 2s are. Clear? So we cancel the number of multiple of 2. 2 ના જેટલા multiples હોય એ cancel કરો. 21, it is not possible to have 21 in the table of 2, but 22 is there, 11 2s are. 12 2s are 24, 13 2s are, 14 2s are, and 15 2s are 30. Okay? We will move to the next row. 32, 44, 36, 38 and 40. Here 21 2s are, 22 2s are, 23, 24 2s are, and 25 2s are 50. Clear? 52, 54, 56, 58 and 60. Because these all are multiple of 2. 62 means 31 2s are, 64 means 32 2s are, 33 3s are, 34 3 4s are, 34 2s are, and 35 2s are 7. Same 72, 74, 76, 78, 80. Next 81, 84, 86, 88, 90. 91, 94, 96, 98 and 100. Clear? These all are multiple of 2. Means આ બધા જ number 2 ના ટેબલમાં આવે. That's why we cross all the multiple of 2. Now we will move to the next number, that is 3. So we need to now cross the multiple of 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, already crossed. 3 3s are 9, so cross it. 3 4s are 12, already crossed. 3 5s are 15, cross it. 3 6s are 18, already crossed. Now 19 is not in the table of 3. Now 21, it is, yes, 7 3s are, then 23 is not there, 25 is also not there. 27, 9 3s are, 27, so cross it. Now 31 is also not in the table of 3. 33, 11 3s are, so cross it. 35 is also not there, 37 is not there. 39, yes, it is there, 13 3s are, 39. After that 41 is not there, 43 is not there, yes, 15 3s are, 45, so cross it. 47 is not there, 49 is also not there. After that 51, yes, 51 is there in the table of 3. If you divide 51 by 3, then we get 51. So it is divisible by 3. Then next number 57, yes, it is divisible by 3. 59, not there. 61, 63, yes, it is in the table of 3, multiple of 3. That's why 65 is not there. 67, 69, yes, it is divisible by 3. 71, 73, 75. So yes, it is divisible by 3. 77, 79 is not there. In 81, yes, 81 is divisible by 3. 85, no, not there. Yes, it is divisible by 3. If you divide 87 by 3, you will get 87 is not divisible by 3. Sir. Now 89 is also not there. 91, yes, it is not divisible by 3. 93, it is divisible by 3. 95, not divisible by 3. 97 is not divisible by 3. 99 is divisible by 3. So cancel. Now move to the next number, multiple of 5. So you need to cross out all multiple of 5. Multiple of 5. So we need to cross all multiple of 5. Number which end with 5 or 0 are divisible by 5. So we'll cancel out all multiple of 5. So zeros are already crossed. Now 7. 7 2s are 14, 21, 42 already crossed, 61, 77. After that, okay, done. All multiple of 7 are already crossed. Now 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 89 already crossed. Now 30. Okay, already crossed all factor of 13. Now 17. Factor of 7, that is 49. We crossed the 49. After that, any remaining factor of 17? No. All factors are already crossed. Now 19. All factor of 19 are done. 23 is remaining. 29 is remaining. 31, 37, 41, 47, 53, 59, then 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 91. 91 is a factor of 13, so we cancel it. 97 is there only in row of 90. So remaining numbers will be called prime numbers. Okay. You have to find the prime number using this method for 1 to 50. તમારે શું કરવાનું છે? 1 to 50 નંબર્સ લખવાના છે આ રીતે, અને એમાંથી 1 to 50 ના પ્રાઇમ્સ નંબર આ રીતે કેન્સલ કરીને ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના છે. Clear? So from this table, prime numbers are this many, 2, 3, 5. Okay, all numbers from 1 to 100. Even and odd numbers. Now you know what are the even numbers and odd numbers. So even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If the last digit of number is 0, 2, 4, 8 or 6, these are called even numbers, and odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. If the last digit of number is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, they are called odd numbers. Here example of even and odd numbers are given. So this number ends with 5, so it is odd, and this number ends with 8, so it is even. Okay, we already learned odd and even number in the previous standard. But what you have to remember, 2 is the smallest prime number which is even. Now from all this prime number, you can see all numbers are odd. બધા જ number odd છે. Just only 2 is even. 2 is only the number that is even prime number. This can be asked for MCQ or blank. Which number is even prime number or blank number is even prime number? So it is 2. Okay, other number all are odd. Every prime number except 2 is odd. So બે સિવાયના બધા જ નંબર કેવા છે? ઓડ. Only 2 is the even number.